Welcome back friends to this new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can run different operating systems inside your Windows 10 PC using a virtual box. Now in here I'm going to use an application known as VMWARE Workstation. So need to go to this website, scroll down. If you have an operating system like Linux, you can download it from here. I will download the Windows version. Click on download now and select keep and let it download. After it has downloaded, this is the application. Double click on it to start the installation. Here you need to click next, accept the license agreement, click next, select this option, enhanced keyboard driver. This feature will be required for some settings. Then click next, uncheck these two options, click next, uncheck this second option, click next, and click install. Let it install, and after that you will be greeted with this screen. Click finish and press yes to restart your PC. After you have restarted, next we need an ISO image file of an operating system to test it. I am downloading Linux Mint. There are different flavors here. I will select cinnamon and choose a download location. Let it download. So this way you can download different types of Linux desktop flavors from different websites and test it out. So double click on this application, click continue, click finish, and when this application opens, click on create a new virtual machine. We have downloaded an image file, so we will select this option, click on browse and select the ISO image of Linux Mint. Click next. As this cannot identify the version of Linux, so you select Ubuntu from the list, because Linux Mint is based generally on Ubuntu. Then click next, give a name to your virtual machine. I will give here Linux Mint, and browse a location where you will save this virtual disk. This program is very helpful for testing out different operating systems before you install it on actual hard drive to see whether it suits your needs or not. You can install multiple OSs and test it out. Click next. I will give here the maximum disk size as 30 GB. That will be sufficient. And click on this first option and click next. You can customize the hardware to your liking. If you have an actual hard drive that has more RAM like 16 GB or 32 GB and a powerful processor, you can configure it here. Then click next and you can see the virtual machine has been created. Just click on play virtual machine. You can enable these side channel mitigations from the settings, but at this moment it is not required. I will click on OK. When you click on the player, the mouse and keyboard will be integrated with the player itself. To move out of the player, you just need to press Ctrl and Alt. Then you have to download and install this Linux tool. Now as you can see, Linux Mint has booted up in the live session. Here you can enter full screen and test out all the features of the operating system. As you can see, this is Linux Mint, and once you have done with your testing, you can go here and power and click on shutdown and click yes. So this is a great way to test out different types of operating systems and also to test out different applications and also to sandbox some kind of malware to test it out and to reduce risk on your Windows 10 PC. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.